Apple has done it again. The all-new Apple Watch Ultra 3 is finally here, and this thing is an absolute beast. From a brighter 4000 nit display and a refined titanium design to the powerful new S10 chip, next-level health tracking, and insane battery life that can last up to 80 hours, the Ultra 3 takes smartwatches to a whole new level. In this video, we're unboxing it, testing it, and giving you our full hands-on first impressions. If you're thinking about upgrading or just curious whether this is the best smartwatch of 2025, you don't want to miss this. The arrival of the Apple Watch Ultra 3 has stirred a wave of excitement across the tech community, fitness enthusiasts, and Apple fans alike. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. When Apple first introduced the Ultra line, it was clear the company wanted to separate this watch from the standard Apple Watch series devices. The Ultra was designed not just to be a smartwatch, but a rugged, professional-grade wearable for adventurers, athletes, divers, and those who demand the very best from their gear. Now, with the Apple Watch Ultra 3, Apple is doubling down on that promise. This unboxing and first hands-on review takes a deep dive into everything the Ultra 3 brings to the table, from its design refinements and display improvements to its upgraded performance, software features, and overall user experience. Whether you're considering upgrading from a previous Ultra or you're entirely new to Apple's premium watch, this detailed impression will give you everything you need to know. Unboxing the Apple Watch Ultra 3 is an experience in itself. Apple continues its tradition of minimalistic, premium packaging that makes you feel like you're opening something special. The box is slightly larger than the one used for the standard Series 10 watches, with a bold Ultra 3 logo embossed on the front and subtle topographic patterns across the inside sleeve, hinting at its outdoor and adventure-oriented DNA. Opening the box reveals the watch head carefully wrapped in a protective covering, alongside the chosen band, which comes in the new 2025 lineup of Alpine Loop, Ocean Band, and Trail Loop styles, each with updated colors and materials. Beneath that sits the braided USB-C to magnetic fast charging cable, which promises faster charging speeds than before. The presentation is both simple and elegant, reflecting Apple's attention to detail in product design. Picking up the Apple Watch Ultra 3 for the first time, one of the first things you notice is its balance of ruggedness and refinement. The watch retains the 49mm titanium case introduced with the original Ultra, but Apple has subtly refined the edges, making them slightly smoother without losing the rugged industrial appeal. The action button, crown guard, and digital crown are still prominent, but Apple has enhanced the tactile feedback, making them feel more precise and durable. The titanium finish now comes in two options: natural titanium and a new darker space titanium finish, which not only looks striking but also resists scratches better. It feels reassuringly solid on the wrist, yet surprisingly lightweight for a watch of this size, which has always been one of Apple's design strengths. The display is one of the most noticeable upgrades in the Apple Watch Ultra 3. Apple has introduced its brightest panel yet, capable of reaching up to 4000 nits of peak brightness outdoors. This makes it easier than ever to read the watch in direct sunlight, whether you're hiking a mountain trail or sailing across open waters. Indoors, the always-on Retina LTPO display adapts smoothly, offering crisp clarity with deep blacks and vibrant colors. The bezels are even slimmer this time, allowing more screen real estate without increasing the case size. Apple has also improved